Kentucky until 8 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenville, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Central City, Greenville, Powderly, Central City, Greenville, Dunmer, and Drakesboro. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Muhlenburg, Kentucky. The National